guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing and trying on my September Play by Sephora box. This is a monthly subscription box that is $10 a month. I will link it down below in case you are interested in it. But we're gonna go through all of the products, try them on, share my thoughts, the whole deal. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. I have been getting this box. I think this is my third month of getting it again. I got it for quite a long time and then canceled, and now I'm back to getting it. So personally, I really like it. Generally speaking, there's always a product or two that I'm not a fan of, or it just doesn't work for me, but overall, this is usually a pretty good box. There's 5 deluxe samples and then 1 bonus. The bonus used to always be a fragrance. Now it's kind of like hit or miss what it is. Sometimes it's hair care, sometimes it's a fragrance. So let's jump into this box. All right, this is the box this month, and it's interesting because they switched out the cloth bags that they used to have for this plastic bag. It's like basically like a Ziploc. It just has like that plastic closure, and it's kind of clear. So the first thing, a lot of these are skincare, or maybe not a lot, but kind of a lot. So the first thing is from Boscia. It is the Cactus Water Hydrating Cream. And let's see what it says in the pamphlet about it. So it says, a lightweight moisturizer formulated with Queen of the Night Cactus for soft, supple skin. So this says use morning and night, cleanse and tone skin, then apply a quarter-size amount of moisturizer to face and neck. So what I do really like about this is that it is a water gel moisturizer, which is good for acne-prone skin. It will not clog your pores. So it's like a very jelly consistency. So we'll see how it wears under makeup. It almost smells like aloe vera, but not quite. It's not sticky at all. It actually feels really nice. It just feels like a jelly substance. So the next item in order will be from Too Faced. Is the Hangover RX Primer. This is a like cult classic. I actually already have an open sample, so I'm just gonna use this one instead of opening a new one. But this is a hydrating primer, so if you have really dry skin, you might really enjoy this. I personally never really use this because unless my skin, like in the winter sometimes I will, but I have normal, sometimes oily skin, so I don't really need a hydrating primer. But for the sake of this video, I will use it. And here is the part that I'm kind of dreading. So the next item in here is from Marc Jacobs. This is the Shameless foundation. And I was actually surprised to see this because picking a shade of foundation for however many people get this box is pretty risky. So they sent me the shade Medium Y320. I actually already have this foundation. I have mine in the shade Light Y270. And I did not like this. So I used it once and then I put it back in the box hoping that I could find like a family member or friend that might like it more than I do. So I'm still going to apply it just so that I can show you guys. I don't really know what shade I'll be right now. One thing that I love about this foundation is the packaging. I think that the packaging is so pretty. It's super, super tiny and compact. And then it just has a squeezy tube. So I think the packaging is the best part about this foundation. So I don't know what color. I think I probably still am this light shade, the one that I have, maybe not the medium that they sent me. So I'll just use the one that I have. The other thing about this foundation is it is pretty lightweight. It's not supposed to be a full coverage foundation. So sometimes the product gets picked up a little bit from a beauty sponge, which reminds me that I did not read about the Hangover RX. So Hangover RX says a replenishing primer that hydrates skin and creates a perfect canvas for makeup. And then the Marc Jacobs foundation says a longwear medium coverage foundation that contains visibly undetectable SPF. So this foundation I didn't like because I feel like it just sat on top of my skin. It never just blended in to like look like skin. And I really want my foundation to look like skin. Okay, I'm like, ugh. I don't like the way that this foundation looks on my skin. I'm actually gonna try and mix in some of this shade just to see if this shade is better for me. But I think I'm gonna use a brush. It just kind of breaks up. It's hard to really blend in. So we'll see. Hopefully I can make it work because I don't really want to have like a bad makeup day. So I'm gonna use my Sigma, I think this is the F80, yes. The next makeup product is mascara, so I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and then I'll be right back. All right, I finished up my face makeup. Now we're going to move on to lashes. This is from the Sephora brand. It's called the LashCraft Big Volume Mascara. And the pamphlet says, full volume mascara with a buildable formula that coats lashes in intense black color. So let's test it out. I'm just going to curl my lashes. I only put a little bit of color in my crease because I wanted to really be able to see just the lashes without a liner. And I actually don't think that I've tried a Sephora brand mascara before. Okay, so the wand has an hourglass shape. And let's see. Okay, I mean, it's nothing special yet, but if you guys have ever seen me review a mascara, which is like every other video, I always like to put 2 coats on and do it in the same way that I normally do it. So I'm gonna let this coat dry before I do another coat, and then that will give me the final answer. So in the meantime, the other product in here is from Henriksen. It is the Truth Serum Collagen Boosted with True C Complex. And this says, an effective serum formulated with vitamin C that brightens and hydrates skin. So that's that. And then the bonus is from Philosophy. This is the Grace fragrance. And it says, this fragrance captures the quiet strength of a ballerina with the delicate scent of pink rose petals with sparkling lychee. So they used to do, the bonus used to always be a fragrance, and it's a fragrance again this month. I liked that just because I like to be able to test out different fragrances. But this one, it comes in one of those annoying bottles that you can't spray it. Some of them come with this same size but a little sprayer instead, and I personally like those ones better because I think they're easier to use. And then this serum, let's see what kind of packaging. Oh, this is actually nice packaging. So this has a pump and everything, which this is something I would totally travel with. So this I'm excited about, just because I always want to bring my skincare with me, but it's hard when you're traveling because I don't want to like put things into different containers and whatnot. So I'm excited to try this one out. You guys know I love skincare. Let's do a second coat of this mascara really quickly. Okay, I don't like this mascara. I was trying to build it up and I felt like anytime I was getting a little bit of volume, my lashes started to stick together. So this would be a pass for me. I'm gonna try to zoom you guys in so that you can see my skin. Okay, we're super close up now. But right here, I have all of this like broken up area, and then right here, I just feel like my skin looks like garbage and my lashes, no bueno. Okay, so let's just go through these products really quickly again. So first was the moisturizer. I actually did really like this. I like the little container too. This will be great to travel with. And I think if I would have liked my makeup, it probably would have worn nicely. Like it sunk into the skin quickly. So I did like this. The Too Faced Hangover RX Primer is just not for me and my skin type. I know tons of people that like this, so if you have dry skin, you may love this, but I personally don't really get my use out of it. The Shameless Foundation, I'm just not a fan. I was already not a fan. I'm still not a fan. I just did not like it. The Sephora LashCraft Mascara, again, just another miss for me. I just don't feel like it did anything for my lashes, and there are plenty of ones from the drugstore, like the NYX Worth the Hype, the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Those are two of my favorites that are great, and they're cheaper, so that was a pass. I'm excited to try out this serum from Henriksen, and then this fragrance. I do like that they gave us a fragrance sample. So overall, this month was kind of a pass for me. Usually I really like this box, but this month I don't know, I really wasn't a fan of the products, but hopefully next month will be better. I hope that they add some more makeup in. I love getting skincare, but I also want to try out new makeup stuff. So this month only had 2 makeup products and I didn't really like either of them. So yeah, hopefully next month I will like it better. So let me know if you guys get this box as well. Did you get the same things? Did you get something different? Did you like it? Did you hate it? Let me know all the things down below in the bottom bar. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.